Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to the graceful lines of Celestial, a style that builds upon itself to create a ceiling-wide pattern of arcs and angles. To start, yeah, they're plastic, and that's a good thing. Celestial ceiling tiles are made from our Signature Series 30 thousandths thick vinyl plastic and are unlike any ceiling tile you've seen or felt before. They are robust yet flexible, and their thermoformed design combined with the inherent strength of vinyl makes these tiles rigid, durable, and easy to install and maintain. They're Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made in the USA. Available in 10 designer colors and finishes, this heavenly design is sure to leave your guests starstruck. Celestial ceiling tiles can be mounted directly to ceilings or walls using adhesive, or installed in either standard 1-inch or slimline 9/16" T-bar grid system. You can even slide them beneath your existing mineral fiber ceiling tile. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size border sections. For those, you'll need to choose a separate border tile. Orb ceiling tiles are the perfect border accent. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.